Hey there, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we have a very interesting offer going on from Bybit. It is for their card. If you're in need of a fiat to crypto card, this one might be it for you. Before we get into it, though, just a reminder that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm simply here to bring you different information, entertainment, different kinds of videos that I think you guys might be interested in. And that's about it. That's the end of my thing and where you begin. You always have to make sure that you are doing your own research, doing your own due diligence, and making sure that any financial decisions are right for you. So let's go ahead and dive on in and check out the deal they've got going. We'll also explain a little bit some of the benefits of the Bybit card, but it is the Bybit card. Selected users only can enjoy 10% cash back for a limited time. So there is still 24 days until this event ends, but that is a pretty nice bonus. It is up to $600, meaning so if you spend $6,000, you can get $600 back. But in order to participate, you will obviously have to apply for the card. It's no cost to you. Enjoy it free of charge with no monthly or annual fees. You'll also have the opportunity to make a deposit of at least 100 and you will earn $10 back on that. So that reward is only available to users who have not yet made their first deposit. So you have to make at least your first deposit, a full 100, and you'll get $10 back. So that is a big thing. But if you pay with your Bybit card, and you can earn 10% cash back up to $600. This is available to all international card holders. Now, I do need to say that Bybit card is currently only available in select regions, so you will have to check for yourself and see if it's available where you are at. But the benefits of this card are pretty good. If you're in need of a fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat card, this is a great one to take a look at. And here it shows off some of the benefits, including free card issuance and delivery, no annual or monthly fees, 10% cash back in USDT for a limited time, so it will end, but also up to 8% APY, so all good stuff there. But if you are interested in increasing your gains even more, spread the love and get 20 USDT. You can invite your friends to get the Bybit card and unlock rewards together. So that's also going to be helpful in gaining some tether. A few important FAQs, the 600 plus in rewards. If you're a new Bybit user, you do deposit that 100 to get the $10 on top of that. But also after this 10% cash back is through, it will drop down to 2% cash back. So it's not as if that goes away entirely. Eligible participation. This offer is only available to selected users from international regions. So as I said, you will have to check for yourself if it is available where you are at. But rewards for deposits are only available to users who haven't made their first deposit. So that $10 initial 10 USDT is only available if you do that initial deposit of $100, and then rewards for spending are available to selected international card holders. So that is, you can check and see your eligibility by logging in or signing up for it that initial time and see if you're eligible for the card. Now, this part is pretty important for people to know. Can I set the spending limit for my Bybit card? No, the spending limits of your Bybit card are fixed and cannot be customized. Daily spending limit is $5,000, monthly spending $10,000, and annual spending limit is $60,000. Now, if you are, for example, using crypto to fiat or fiat to crypto, and or you are making purchases internationally, you will get some of these fees on top of it. It is the foreign exchange fee of 1% on top of Mastercard's foreign exchange rate. So your exchange fee will be a little bit higher because of that Mastercard rate. But the crypto conversion fee is 0.9% on top your spot fees, but everything else is free. So there's no annual fee, no dormancy, there's no card cancellation fee, and there's no card issuance fee. So relatively, as far as like owning the card and you know, having it, there's no fees in relation to that. But of course, just like with any crypto transaction, there's going to be some fees associated with the use of the crypto. Right here, you can see some of the supported cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Ton, Tether, USDC, MNT, and BNB, with more options that are on the way. And also, if you are interested in getting this, like, just keep an eye out. You know, there are more places that this will become available to. If it isn't available to you yet, it will get there. Also, pretty cool, 100% rebates on selected partners. Enjoy 100% rebates on selected partners to supercharge your card rewards, including Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView. And lastly, just discussing how you apply for the card. You will create a Bybit account in just a few minutes. Shouldn't take you long at all. Verify your personal details and your proof of address, of course, going to be very important. And then once you're approved, you will be able to start using your virtual Bybit card immediately. You have a virtual one, and they will also send you a physical card, so that's good too. A good thing to note is, how do I add funds to my Bybit card? Right here, Bybit card does not have a separate wallet balance. It relies on your funding account on Bybit for spending power. So to top up your funding account, you'll simply buy fiat or crypto using one click buy, and you will be able to deposit crypto from other wallets or platforms all onto Bybit. And that's just how it's just a link, a way that links your card to your Bybit account, basically. But that's all I really have for this one. It looks like, you know, there's some decent rewards going on with the 10% cash back for up to $600, and you know, that initial deposit of cash back on $100 when you deposit. You'll get $10 back. Just a nice little deal they've got going on a fiat to crypto card. So it's just a Mastercard. Like, it's nothing crazy, but the deal is nice. So it's going to work, you know, exactly as you want it to, as you would want your card to work. Being able to just convert crypto into the currency that you need to make a purchase. It's really nice thing to have. So anyways, that's all I got for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Later.